Boxing's Mexican living legend Julio Cesar Chavez has confirmed that he will appear at the 5th Annual Box Fan Expo on Saturday, May 4, 2019 at the Las Vegas Convention Center. Chavez will hold a meet and greet with his fans at the Box Fan Expo at the World of Sports Memorabilia booth. The expo is open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. during Cinco de Mayo weekend. Boxing Expo will also coincide with the highly anticipated fight between Canelo Alvarez versus Danny Jacobs that will take place later that evening at the T-Mobile Arena. Tickets to the Box Fan Expo are available at Eventbrite, http://boxfanexpo.eventbrite.com/. Chavez will make his first appearance at this year's expo and will be signing gloves, photos, personal items and also have merchandise for sale for fans to enjoy. Boxing fans will have an opportunity to also take pictures with this boxing legend. Chavez joins Riddick Bowe, Mikey Garcia, Errol Spence Jr., Marco Antonio Barrera, Mia Street, John, Juan Manuel Marquez, Vinny Paz, Devin Haney, Ernie Shavers, Al Bernstein, Michael Spinks, WBC, Eric Morales, James Toney and Jesse Vargas as an early commitment to this year's Box Fan Expo, with many more top boxing stars to be announced. About Julio Cesar Chavez. Julio Cesar Chavez Sr. is a Mexican former professional boxer who competed from 1980 to 2005. A multiple-time world champion in 3 weight divisions, Chavez was listed by the Ring magazine as the world's best boxer, pound for pound, from 1990 to 1993. During his career he held the WBC super featherweight title from 1984 to 1987, the WBA and WBC lightweight titles between 1987 and 1989, the WBC light welterweight title twice between 1989 and 1996, and the IBF light welterweight title from 1990 to 1991. He also held the Ring magazine and lineal lightweight titles from 1988 to 1989, and the lineal light welterweight title twice between 1990 and 1996. Chavez was named Fighter of the Year for 1987 and 1990 by the Boxing Writers Association of America and the Ring respectively. Chavez holds records for the most total successful defenses of world titles, 27, shared with Omar Narvaez, most title fight victories and fighters beaten for the title, both at 31, and most title fights, 37. He has the second most title defenses won by knockout, 21, after Joe Louis with 23. His fight record was 89 wins, 0 losses, and 1 draw before his first professional loss to Frankie Randall in 1994, before which he had an 87-fight win streak until his draw with Pernell Whitaker in 1993. Chavez's 1993 win over Greg Hogan at the Estadio Azteca in Mexico City set the record for a boxing match of 132,274 in attendance. He is ranked as the 17th best boxer of all time, pound for pound, by BoxRec. Chavez is also ranked. In 2010 he was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame for the class of 2011. He is the father of current boxers Omar Chavez and former WBC middleweight champion Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. About Riddick Bowe. Riddick Bowe is an American former professional boxer. He reigned as the undisputed heavyweight champion in 1992, and as an amateur he won a silver medal in the super heavyweight division at the 1988 Summer Olympics. After turning professional in 1989, Bowe went on to become a 2-time world heavyweight champion. In 1992 he won the undisputed WBA, WBC, and IBF titles by defeating then unbeaten former undisputed cruiserweight champion Evander Holyfield. Same year, Bowe was named Fighter of the Year by the Ring and the Boxing Writers Association of America. Bowe vacated the WBC title later that year in protest, instead of defending the title against their number 1 contender, Lennox Lewis. This left the undisputed championship fragmented until 1999. In a rematch with Holyfield in 1993, Bowe narrowly lost the WBA and IBF titles in what would be his only professional defeat. He later regained a portion of the World Heavyweight Championship in 1995, defeating Herbie Hite for the then-fledgling WBO title. In doing so, Bowe became the first boxer in history to win the titles of all four major sanctioning bodies, the WBA, WBC, IBF, and WBO, and remains the only heavyweight to do so. Later that year, Bowe vacated the WBO title in order to fight Holyfield for a third time, and won decisively by being the first boxer to stop Holyfield. In 2008, Bowe retired from the sport with an impressive record of 45-1. Many boxing experts consider Bowe as one of the greatest heavyweight of all time. In 2015, he was inducted into the International Boxing Hall of Fame. About Box Fan Expo. Box Fan Expo is the ultimate boxing fan experience event, which allows fans to meet and greet boxing superstars of today, current and former world champions, legends of the sport and other boxing celebrities. Fans can expect to experience various interactions such as autograph and photo sessions, face-off with your favorite boxers, pictures with the ring card girls, live DJ music, chance to win prizes, purchase merchandise and memorabilia from different booths, exhibitors, all under one roof. You won't want to miss this must-attend expo. Box Fan Expo has been a huge success with fans and boxing industry people. Many boxing stars have attended the last four expos, such as Floyd Mayweather, Mike Tyson, Roberto Duran, Tommy Hearns, Marco Antonio Barrera, Roy Jones Jr., Andre Ward, Mikey Garcia, Marcos Maidana, Juan Manuel Marquez, Eric Morales, Errol Spence Jr., Sergio Martinez, Keith Thurman, Danny Garcia, Tim Bradley, Deontay Wilder, Amir Khan, Sean Porter, Fernando Vargas, Zab Judah, James Toney, Jesse Vargas, Vinny Pazienza, Mia Street, John, Leo Santa Cruz, Badu Jack, Terry Norris, Riddick Bowe, Ernie Shavers, Leon Spinks, Danny Jacobs, Abner Mares, Jorge Linares, Brandon Rios and many more. Exhibitors include boxing promoters, gear, apparel, equipment, energy drinks, supplement products, broadcasting media, sanctioning bodies, and other companies who wish to participate will once again have a chance to showcase their brand to fans in the boxing industry. Tickets to the Box Fan Expo are available online at https://boxfanexpo.eventbrite.com.